Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here once again. Today I'm going to bring you air fryer Texas fajitas. Now, I'd much rather make this outside on the grill, but it's, I don't know, 112 degrees heat index. I ain't firing the grill up today. However, got a DeLonghi air fryer, and I'm going to put these fajitas on here, Texas fajitas. The reason I think they call them Texas fajitas because it has shrimp in it. So let me show you what's in it. All right, stand by. All right, what I got here, got about a pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Got about a pound and a half of sirloin steak, top sirloin steak. Got about a pound of nice sized shrimp. Peeled, deveined, tails off. Got onion, red pepper, and a green bell pepper. All right, first thing I'm going to do, we'll start out with the steak. I'm going to go ahead and cut it up in strips. Kind of find the grain if you can. Looks like this one's going all over the place. So I'm going to go this way with it. I'm just going to cut it in strips. All right, let me get this cut up in strips, and then we'll carry on with the rest of it. All right, now I'm going to take my boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut them in strips. Just nice, you know, they ain't got to be real big, just nice strips. What we're going to do today, my good friends at Heavenmade Seasoning got a phone call asking about their seasoning, and whoever called them told them that they saw me using their seasoning in one of my videos. So they contacted me and asked me if I'd like to try out some more of their awesome seasonings. So, of course, I said yes, I would love to try them. So they sent me a few seasonings, so I'm going to feature some of them today. On the beef, this is Fabulous Fajita. Best seasoning this side of heaven, Heavenmade products. Smells really good. So we're going to put this fajita seasoning on the beef. So we're going to coat it up, give it a toss, give it another coat, toss it around. Want this well coated. This stuff smells really good. Oh my goodness gracious. So we're going to try this out. I'm going to give you all an honest review, but I'll tell you what, honestly, this stuff smells awesome. All right, steak is all seasoned up. So let's see this fajita seasoning. What do we got? Garlic, lemon peel, cumin, onion, pepper, all kinds of other stuff in here. Oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this steak back in the refrigerator, and we're going to bring out the chicken. All right, y'all. Now for the chicken, this is mine. It's incredible. Just bought me a new 32-ounce bottle of this. So I'm going to season the chicken up with It's Incredible. So let's get this all seasoned up, mixed on up. I tell you what, Heavenmade Products has some really good stuff. I'm in love with It's Incredible. Been using this for a long time. All right, a little bit more. All right, so we're going to get this all seasoned up, tossed up, coated up. Put this in the refrigerator. All right, Heavenmade's also sent me some seafood seasoning. You can see they haven't put this stuff out yet. This is a test, so seafood seasoning test. So I'm going to test it out today. Tell you what, that stuff smells really good. So we're going to put this on our shrimp. Give it a toss. Coat Coat that shrimp up nice with that. Nice and coated. A little bit more, not too much. All right. Put that back in the fridge, and we'll bring you right back. All right, now we got to cut up the veg. Going to take a onion, nice red bell pepper, sweet bell pepper, and a sweet green or a green bell pepper. All right, now with the peppers, I'm going to cut these up in nice big strips. Red pepper, green pepper, onion, cut that about the same size. Bust the onion up. All right, we're going to put all the veg in a pan. And let me finish cutting these up and I'll bring you back. All right, got all the veg cut up. So we're going to give them a good spray of olive oil. Give them a toss. Another little spray. Give them a toss. Now, with the veg, we're going to put some more of this fajita seasoning on the veg. How's that? Let's try that out. All right, we're going to season them well. Everything's seasoned up. All right, give them a toss. A little more seasoning. Heavenmade fabulous fajita. All right, give it a toss. Everything well coated, evenly distributed. Almost forgot, also in my fajitas, I like to finish it up with some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. So you just cut these up in pretty good chunks. About like that. Nice chunks. So I'm going to get these cut up and put them to the side. We'll bring the DeLonghi air fryer out and we'll get these fajitas going. All right, we've got our DeLonghi air fryer. We're going to use the paddle. Put the paddle in. I'm going to let this thing preheat a little bit. Got it on 4. Got the bottom burner on. Bring you right back. All right, got this thing preheated. The paddle's turning now with the DeLonghi air fryer. It takes the paddle a few minutes before the paddle starts turning. So if you get one of these, you know, the paddle ain't going to start turning right away. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to get a spray of olive oil in. Here's what I'm going to do first. All right. Now, I'm going to do the chicken first because the chicken takes the longest. So I'm going to do the chicken, take it out, put the steak in there, take it out, put the veg in there, and then I'll add the meat back. So here goes the chicken. On in. There we go. Spread around a little bit. Let it cook. All right, I'm going to turn this down to about a little over 3. Let this cook about 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, and we'll bring you back. All right, let me check on this chicken. Looking good. Going on around and around. Tell you what, this DeLonghi air fryer is a cooking machine. I love this thing. Wings, all kinds of stuff. You do frozen things in here, like poppers or whatever you like. Good friend of mine, Miss Booger, Booger 500 US, turned me on to this thing. I saw it on her channel. I'm going to leave a link to her channel down there, by the way. Miss Booger has some awesome recipes using this thing. Anyway, got a little ways to go on the chicken. All right, y'all, been about 15 minutes. This chicken is I'm gonna call that done. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take this chicken out, put it on a plate for now. All right. We'll fire the DeLonghi back up, get it hot, and put the beef in. For the beef, we're going to kick this up to 4. Put a little bit more olive oil in there. All right, let this get hot, and we'll put the beef in there. All right, so we got this heated back up. We'll open it up, put the beef on in. All right, we're not going to leave this beef in there as long as we left the chicken in there. We'll probably go 10 minutes, and then we'll check it. All right, bring you right back. All right, let's check out this beef. Don't want to overcook it. It looks pretty good right there. Nice and brown. So, let's get the beef out. All right, let's kick this heat down to about 3. A few more sprays of olive oil, not much. All right, in go the veggies. Okay, these veggies shouldn't take long. 10 minutes maybe. I'll check it out. All right, veggies are where they need to be. You don't want them all soggy and stuff. A little crunch still left in them. All right, put the chicken back in. Put the beef back in. Give it a slight stir. All right, we're gonna let this warm back up. I'm gonna go ahead and season these tomatoes up a little bit. Put a little It's Incredible on them tomatoes. All right, got this mixed up a bit. Let's put the tomatoes in there. I'm gonna let these cook a little bit before I put the shrimp in. Shrimp goes in last. Don't want to overcook the shrimp. I'm gonna let this go another 10 minutes, maybe 6. Then we'll put the shrimp in. All right. I've had the tomatoes in there for a couple minutes. They're cooking up. So now, the shrimp. So this is what makes it Texas fajitas. We'll spread that shrimp out a little bit. Okay, we're not going to leave this cooking for very long. Maybe 6-7 minutes if that. All right, bring it back when it's finished. All right, now heat me up a tortilla. Now, if y'all have seen my pulled pork chimichangas, you've seen me heat tortillas up before. I like to heat them up on an open flame. Just bring them up, flip them, and they'll start bubbling up. Get a little char on there. Let that thing bubble up. See that? All right. That's done. So, let's make the fajita. All right. Put a little bit of this guacamole on there. All right, we're going to put some Cholula hot sauce on there. Nice, nice. Some Cholula. All right, y'all. Only one thing left for this. Fold it over like a taco. All right. You know the deal, y'all. Taste. Look at that. I don't know if you can see in there. Isn't that nice shrimp sticking out? Oh my God. Let's see. Mmm. Oh yeah, that is so good. Texas fajitas and the DeLonghi air fryer. Man, good stuff. Y'all need to try this. I ain't kidding. Heavenmade seasonings. Wow. That stuff just tastes fantastic. No two ways about it. Heavenmade is the real deal. Y'all need to go check Heavenmade products out. I'm going to leave a link below to Heavenmade. I'm going to leave a link below for my DeLonghi air fryer. And I'm going to leave a link below for my buddy Miss Booger. Booger 500 US. Man. So anyway, thanks for watching. Come on back and visit me again. Hit that subscribe if you like to. But please leave a comment. I appreciate that very much. So y'all take care. We'll see you next time.